This is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove your front cover on your DualSense Edge controller. So if you have one of these for your PS5, all you have to do is flip it around. And there's going to be a spring release right here to remove the cover. And usually what I do is just kind of hold it like this and come at it at like a diagonal angle. And I kind of just do this with my fingernail, and I can usually just clip it, and then this will pop out the front cover. So it's not too difficult actually. I just did it right now, as you can see, and then I can lift this up, and then I can open up the thumbnails or the thumbsticks by pressing this up, and both of them can come out now, and I can replace them if they're broken. So putting it back on, you just want to make sure the front is on underneath, like the touchpad area. Feed it over the thumbsticks and make sure this area is in that little hole. Clip it down and it should sit flat now. The PlayStation button should be above the cover. So it looks good now. Hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.